Hello everyone, welcome to the new course. This course is made using Laravel 11 and this is a single event management website. I will show you how to create a single event management website from scratch. I have the HTML for the front end and I have the HTML for the admin panel. So you can just convert this HTML into Laravel and adding all the functionalities here. So this is the website's front end, and you see in this single event management website there is a logo here and there is a icon here for the single event. Also you will see that there is a menu, and in the menu you will see the option for the speakers, the schedule, the pricing, the blog, and under the pages you will see the sponsors, organizers, accommodations, photo gallery, video gallery, FAQ, testimonials, etc. Also there is a login. If I click on login, you will see a person can create account from here and he can log in this system as the attendee. So this is the main banner of the home page, and here you see the event date admin can set up from backend. So up to that date there will be a countdown and that is running here dynamically. And you will see the event date, the event name and other description, and also the buy ticket option in the banner. After that you will see there is a welcome section, and after that there is a speaker section. Then there is a counter section and how many days, how many speakers, etc. information are given as statistics in this section. And after that there is a pricing table. After pricing table there is a latest news section, there is a sponsor section, and then there is a footer. In the footer with all other basic information there is a newsletter sign up box or the newsletter subscription system here. You will see after that there is a speaker section. I am going to here, and in the speaker you will see the speakers who will speak in this event, their photos, their name and their designation is given. If you click on any speaker, any particular speaker, then more detail about that speaker will be shown here. His detail, his degree, his education, etc. will be shown here. Then more information will be shown here. Then you will say there are some sessions here. Which session this speaker will take for this event, that session detail will be shown here. That session photo and that session heading, in which place the session will be happened and in which date and time the session will be happened. Everything will be shown in this section under the speaker. If I want, I can go back to the speakers from here. I go to another speaker, and here you will see this speaker has two sessions. So a normal or a common session can have for multiple speakers, that a session is taking two persons. It is also possible in this system that I made. Here if I go to the schedule, you will see that day 1 and day 2, these two are made completely dynamic. So you can add more days here. For example, day 3, day 4, day 5, unlimited days you can add here in this system. And for each day, which sessions you will be able to add, that are given. And for each session, the particular speakers who will take this session are also given here. And the session location and time are given, and detail is given here. From here I can go to the speaker to see the speaker detail. For example, this speaker is Danny Allen. If I click here, you will see that this person has total 2 events. So this is the event. From event I go there, and if I go here you will see there is another one, Danny Allen and John Sword. These two persons will take this session together. So if you click on Danny Allen, this is the Danny Allen page, he has this. And also from here if I go to the John Sword, this is the John Sword, another person, he has this session. So same session, 2 speakers. Now I am going to the other pages. For example, the sponsors. There are multiple sponsors for this website, and two types of categories you are seeing here, gold sponsor and platinum sponsor. But here you can create unlimited categories, and for each category you will be able to add sponsors. If I click on any sponsor detail, then the sponsor detail will be shown here, the sponsor company logo will be shown here, a sponsor company name, company location, or any other information are showing here, and more information about that company are given here. So in this way you will be able to see the sponsor detail. So this is the sponsor space. Now I am going to show you organizers. Admin can add organizers from the admin panel. The organizers themselves cannot register here. They will just have some names, and admin will just list who are the persons who will organize the event. Their photo, their name and designation showing. If you click on any photo, then detail about that organization will be shown. So any person can contact them, can email them. They have the phone number, they have the social icons. After organizers, there are accommodations. You will see that in which accommodations the attendees will come and in which hotels they will stay. The detail about the accommodation will be given here. Then there are photo gallery section, and here are the photos about the event. And then if you click on here, then the photo will be in the pop-up. So you will be able to see the complete photo. Similarly, there is a video gallery. If you click on here, the videos are given here. If I click on this icon, then the video will come in the pop-up. There is a FAQ section. You will see about that event. There are many FAQ here. That means many questions and many answers are given here. And after that you will see testimonials. So a lot of testimonials you can add in this section, and it will come one after another in this way. There is a contact page. So contact detail and contact map and contact form are given here. From here, if any person wants, he can contact the event admin. So there is the form to contact with the admin. So this is in short the event front end. And now I will show you how to buy tickets and how to work with the admin panel here. From the admin, I am going to show you first admin panel. You will see there is a login system in the admin. Also there is a forget password system for the admin. If I want to log in this system as admin, then what you will see, I am going to show you. So after login as the admin, you see login is successful. In the home page or admin dashboard, there are detail I have shown, how many total posts, how many total sponsor, how many tickets, how many testimonials, how many organizers, how many speakers, etc. information are given here in short. Then you will be able to see the recent tickets, which person bought which ticket and what was the price and how many tickets he bought, etc. data you will be able to see from here. And in the action button, if you click on here, the more detail about the ticket will be shown here. There is a settings, there is a logo. If you want to change the logo of the system, you can do that. You can change the favicon here from here. You can change the banner photo from here. You see that for each page there is a banner. So this is banner. So this photo you can change from here. Then you can change the favicon, you can change the logo, and here you will see the footer information you can change. That means the copyright information of the footer you can change from here. And after that you will see that here is a ticket purchase expire date system. So when you will set up this date, after this date you will not be able, or any person online will not be able to purchase or buy that ticket. So the ticket purchase system will be stopped after this date. There is a theme color. If you want, you can change the color of the complete theme of this website. That means now the color you see, it is a green color. Now if you want, you can change the color from here. There's a color picker, and then you can update, and then the complete theme will be changed for this website. Now in the home page setting, you will go to banner. This banner is actually this banner that you are seeing in the home page. You can change this one, you can change this one, you can change this one. Also you can set up the date, and then automatically up to that date this counter will come, and that setup is everything given here, when the event date and up to and what is the event time, and based on this the counter will run. There is a welcome section setup. You can set up the welcome section from here, speaker section from here, counter section from here. So all the home page sections you can control from here. And there is an option that, for example, speaker section, here you can set up the heading, you can set up the description. What is the heading? Heading actually is this, and description is this. You can change from here. How many items will be shown here, that you can also set up from here. And status is show. That means if you want to completely hide this section or show this section, you can work with this. Okay. So after that, there is a other page section. You see there is a contact page information, and that you can set up here using with the map. And for the terms page, you can set up the terms page content from here. This is the privacy page information. You see the terms page is actually here in the footer. If you click here, this is the terms of use page, and similarly this is privacy policy page. You can set up the contents from this section. There is a speaker section. You can set up the speaker from here. You can add the schedule days from here, and all the schedules under any particular day you can set up from here. And speaker schedules you can set up here. Which speaker will assign which schedule, you can just set up here and click on assign, and that will be assigned here. You can also delete this one if not needed. Then a sponsor section. This is the sponsor categories. You see I have two sponsors, two types of sponsors, gold sponsors and platinum sponsors. And a sponsor section is this. So logo is this, that is showing in the sponsor section, you see. So this is the logo, and if you click here, the company logo or other photo you can also set up here. So for the sponsor you can set up two types of photos. One is logo that will be scrolled, and another is main photo. If you have only one photo, you can use that in the two places also. And the category is this. You can set up easily from here. There is a add new option, edit option. You can do everything. There is a packages section. If you want, you can set up the packages. You see this is the pricing. So under a standard package, you will see there are some options enabled and some not enabled. Under gold, all enabled except this one, and for the premium, all options are enabled. If you want to buy any ticket, then you can just click on buy ticket, but you have to log in to purchase the ticket, otherwise you cannot. I will show you that, no problem. So this setup is standard, gold or premium, and if you want, you can add more setup here. Not only 3 packages, you can add unlimited packages here, and that section is set up from here. So how many maximum tickets for each and each set will be given here. If you want to click add new, then you will see all the tasks are given here. You can add create package, and here you see unlimited row for the facilities. Okay, so unlimited row option is added here for these facilities. This one is a facility, this one is a facility, this one another facility, this one another facility, in this way. So there are tickets option here. Actually admin will not add tickets here, because this ticket is actually will come here into the admin panel when a person will buy ticket. For example, a person wants to create an account here first. So create an account, he will create an account. Then after the email verification, he will be able to log in. So after, for example, his email is verified, now he is going to log in. So I am going to show you. After the login as the attendee, user is actually the attendee who will attend the event. So here user detail is given after he is logged in, and user will be able to see his own tickets from here. Who is he bought? He will be able to send the message to the admin. Just write here message, submit, then admin will reply, and all the send message and reply he will be able to see from here. And there is a profile information. User will have to fill up all the profile information, otherwise he will not be able to change the password. And also when he will buy anything, buy any ticket, then now I can buy ticket because I have logged in as attendee. So he can just click on any buy ticket option, he will be taken here. These information that are showing here are coming from the profile information. So if user after the new registration, if the user do not fill up any information here. He must have to fill up this first, and then he can go to the buy ticket option. Okay, so here you see he can buy ticket using PayPal or using a Stripe or using bank. So this PayPal payment gateway is implemented here. Also the Stripe payment gateway is implemented here. And for the bank payment, the user will be able to buy in the bank manually, and admin will manually verify it from his panel. In the admin panel, you will see admin can change the any status from here. He can change the status from completed to pending or pending to completed. So for the bank payment, it will by default show pending. Then admin will come here. He will check everything from here, the detail. Then he will be able to change the status. Also admin can show the invoice from here. You see the invoice, admin can print from here the invoice. And in the user end, user can also do that. User can also go to his ticket option. He can see all his purchase tickets in detail, and user can also go to the invoice from here and print this. So when user will come to the event, he will have to print this ticket from his end, and then he will bring it manually with him to show it when the event will be started. So this is in short the pricing option, and I hope you understood. So this is that ticket option, and also admin can delete any ticket from here if he wants. And the package, admin will be able to see the package from here. Admin, if admin wants to know about the user detail, he can click on see detail. He will be taken to the attendee page, etc. And here you see an attendee options is showing here. So admin can go here and admin can see all the attendees of this event. There is a message option. When an attendee will send any message, admin will get a notification via the email, and in the email he will get a link to come here, and he will just click on that link, and he will be taken to the particular message for the attendee. And here you see with this attendee, all the messages admin can see here that admin sent all these messages from here, and attendee messages is this, and admin messages is this. So in this way he can manage everything from here. He can give reply here. And after that, the organizer section, admin can add new organizer. Admin can edit or delete the organizer from here. And in the front end, you will see in the bottom there is a newsletter subscription option. So if a person want to become a subscriber in this system, he will have to give his email address and click on subscribe. Then after the email verification, then he will be a subscriber in this system. So admin will be able to see all the subscribers from here, and admin can also delete anyone if he wants, and admin can message to all subscribers from here. Just give here subject and message, then on all the active subscribers will get that message from him. The accommodations section admin can control from here. The photo gallery section admin can control from here. The video gallery section is here, admin can control. The FAQ section admin can control, and the testimonial section admin can control from here. And here admin can edit his own profile from right side, and click on edit profile. Admin can change his password and change all other information. So this is in short the complete system, the complete single event management system. If you purchase this course, and I hope you will understand everything very clearly, because I have created this application from scratch. So each and everything you will be able to see and to learn perfectly. And I have completed this course. I have created this course using the latest Laravel, that is now Laravel 11. So all the authentication system in Laravel 11 and all other options, how to create model, how to create controller, how to work with everything in Laravel 11, you will be able to learn. So thank you for watching this video.